So if we turn the page, we're going to start incorporating not only eighth notes, but eighth rests. So look at number 76, it's on page 40. And the first example here, this is all on the note E. But we have a lot of eighth rests in here, and we need to make sure that these notes don't ring or bleed over. So as we discussed in previous weeks, to mute, you can either use whichever finger is available to stop the ringing on your right hand, or you can use fingers that are available on your left hand to mute the string. Either option works. So let's try number 76. Let's count out loud and make sure you don't bleed over into the rest. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and... So I know that can be a little tricky. Take your time, set your metronome wherever you need to. If it helps, you can even set your metronome twice as fast so it's beating out eighth notes, and you can count along with that. Let's continue this idea working on these rests. This is number 77, rock groove. Remember, when we have quarter notes, we're going to let them sustain for that full value. But when you see an eighth rest, make sure to cut it off. Let's give this one a try. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 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 4. Repeat. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So page 41 gives us one more roadmap issue to look at, the coda. Remember from last week, DC al fine means when we get to the DC, we repeat back to the top and play through till the fine where it ends. But DC al coda is a little different. We get to the DC, we still repeat back to the top, but this time we play through to the 2 coda sign. And we'll jump from the 2 coda sign to the coda to end this piece. So if we look at the roadmap for number 79, we play the first 8 measures, and then there's a repeat sign. We repeat back to the very beginning. Then we play through that repeat sign. We go all the way to the last measure where it says DC al coda. DC means del capo, to the top. So we repeat back to the very beginning. We play through to the 8th measure where it says 2 coda, and from there we jump to the coda, which is that last bar on the bottom of the page. Let's try this one. Remember muting the strings when we need to, and let's count out loud. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Repeat. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Going on this time. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and back to the beginning. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3. And here we're jumping to the coda.